Welcome dear student in my course named Determinants of Quality Life. Today we will discuss on the topic concept of values for quality of life. Content of this module is introduction of values, building confidence for values, engaging the audience, visual aid and final tips and takeaways. Learning outcomes of this module are at the end of this lesson, a student will be able to understand the concept of values, comprehend the classification of values, know the effect of values, describe various sources of value. Introduction. Values are fundamental beliefs and ideals that guide individuals or groups in determining what is important or unimportant to them. They shape how people view and interact with the world, influencing their behavior, motivating perceptions and personality. Serving as a framework, value help prioritize what matter most and often drive decision making, since value differ from the person to another person. They play a crucial role in how individuals engage with the world around them. Value form the foundation of human behavior, guiding individuals in making choices that shape their lives and influence society. In education, the daily life values are essential for personal growth, social harmony, and overall well-being. Understanding the concept of values and their classifications help individuals and societies nurture positive action and behavior. In this blog post, we will explore the concept of value and the various classification of values, including social, moral, aesthetic and religious values. We discussed the definition of values in the earlier PPTs, but in details you go through these PPTs, and here we discuss that the values are the integral part of the personal philosophy of life, by which we generally mean the system of value by which we live. The philosophy of life includes our aims, ideals and manner of thinking and the principles by which we guide our behavior. Schwartz in 1992 gave the definition of values as values are trans-situational goals varying in importance that serve as guiding principles in the life of a person or other social entity. Rockage in 1973 defined that a value is an enduring belief that a specific mode of conduct or in the state of existence are personally or socially preferable of an opposite of converse mode of conduct. UNESCO in 2002 defined the values are broad preferences concerning appropriate courses of action or outcomes. As such, values reflect a person's sense of right and wrong or what ought to be. Why we need values and morals? It is important to carefully consider our values for several reasons. They could guide our life minute by minute toward noble goals rather than our life being controlled by self-serving motives, customs, accidental occurrence, bad habits, impulses or emotions. You have to know where you are going before you can get there. Values are morals, can not only guide but inspire and motivate you, giving you energy and zest for living and for doing something meaningful. Sensitivity to the failure to live up to your basic values may lead to unproductive guilt or to constructive self-dissatisfaction, which motivates you to improve. High values and some success meetings, those goals are necessary for high self-esteem. Professed but unused values are worthless or worse, phony goodness and rationalization for not changing. Now we discuss the importance of values. Guide behavior. Value help in making ethical decisions and choosing the right course of actions. Promoting social harmony, shared values foster mutual respect and cooperation in society. Build characters. Strong values are the foundations of a good personality and moral strength. Influence motivation. Values align with goals and help individuals strive for meaningful achievements. Support democracy and citizenships, that is civil value like responsibility and justice, uphold democratic institutions. Now we will discuss the nature of values. Values are the generally accepted basic assumptions about what is right and important. They define the purposes of life and the means of achieving them. According to International Encyclopedia of Social Sciences in 1968, all purposive actions fall within the boundaries of evaluate actions. Within purposive action, we can identify three main kinds of values: cognitive, that is desire and liking; achievement, that is the success versus frustrations; and affective, that is the pleasure versus pain or unpleasantness. Nature of value is subjective in nature. Values differ from person to person and culture to culture. Enduring beliefs. Values are relatively stable and consistent over time. Guiding function, that values influence perceptions, judgment, action and relationships. Hierarchical structures. People prioritize values differently, creating a hierarchy of importance. Learned and acquired values are not innate. They are developed through experience, education and social interaction. Dynamic and evolving. While values are stable, they may evolve with new experiences or changes in society. Characteristics of values. Values generally contain a tinge of principle of morality which direct an individual about what is right, good and desirable. Characteristics of values are given as follows. Values provide a standard of proficiency and integrity. Values are fewer in number than attitudes. Values are most central to the core of person. Values usually go beyond the specific objective situation and persons. Values are relatively permanent and resistant to change. When values are ranked in terms of their importance, it results into the value system of the person. The value system of an individual provides a hierarchical framework which indicates the relative importance we assign of different values such as freedom, self-respect, honesty, self-respect, and so on. Classification of values. Values can be classified into several categories based on their purpose and the aspect of life that go on. The most common classification include social, moral, aesthetic, and religious values, each of which plays a critical role in shaping individual character and societal norms. Moral values are honesty, justice, compassion. Social values are cooperation, respect, equality. Personal values are self-discipline, perseverance, and humility. Aesthetic values are appreciation of beauty, harmony. Spiritual values are faith, inner peace, purpose. Universal values are truth, love, and non-violence. Social values. Social values are principles that guide human interaction and functioning of society. These values promote harmonious relationship, social justice, and collective well-being. Social values are crucial for maintaining order and cohesiveness in a community or society. They are learned through socialization process such as family upbringing, schooling, and peer interaction. Common social values included respect, treating others with kindness and consideration, cooperation, working together for the benefit of all, equality, ensuring fairness and justice in society, responsibility, being accountable for one's action and their impact on others. Social values emphasize the importance of collective goods and encourage individuals to contribute positively and to their communities. Moral values. Moral values are a principle that help individuals differentiate between right and wrong. These values form the basis for ethical behavior and reflect the moral judgments individuals make their daily lives. Moral values are essential for personal integrity and for maintaining social order. Common moral values includes honesty, being truthful and transparent in one's action, compassion, showing empathy and care to others, justice, ensuring fairness and upholding ethical principles, integrity, acting consistently with one's values even when it's challenging. Moral values guide personal behaviors and interactions with others, helping individuals act ethically and maintain trust within society. These values are often influenced by family, culture, and religious belief. Aesthetic values. Aesthetic values refers to the appreciation of beauty, art, and culture. These values are concerned with what is pleasing to the senses and intellect. They influence individual preferences in art, music, literature, and design, shaping their sense of beauty and creativity. Common aesthetic values include beauty, the appreciation of natural or artistic elements that are visually or emotionally pleasing. Harmony, the balance and coherence in artistic work or design. Creativity, the ability to think outside the box and produce innovative ideas are work of arts. Expressions, the ability to convey emotions, thoughts, and ideas through artistic forms. Aesthetic values enrich the human experiences by fostering a sense of beauty, innovation, and emotional expression. They contribute to cultural development and provide a deeper understanding of life through artistic exploration. Religious values. Religious values are principles that are derived from religious beliefs and teachings. These values influence an individual's relationship with the divine as well as their moral and ethical behavior in accordance with religious doctrines. Religious values promote spiritual growth, inner peace, and sense of purpose in life. Common religious values include faith, trust in high power or spiritual belief system, that faith in Almighty. Humility, recognizing one's limitations and acting with modesty. Charity, generosity and kindness toward others, especially those in need. Forgiveness, the willingness to forgive others for their mistakes or wrongdoings. Religious values often provide individuals with a framework for understanding the meaning of life, the nature of existence, and their responsibility toward others and the world. Formation of values. How these values inculcate in a person. Values are formed through a complex interplay of individuals' experiences, cultural influences, education, and social integration. The development of personal values begin early in life and continue to evolve and mature throughout a person's lifetime. The key processes and influences in the formation of values are family influences, cultural and social environment, education, peer influences, experiences, religious and spiritual belief, media influences, personal reflection and growth. Now we discuss about the family influences. Family is typically the first and most influential source of values formation. Children absorb the values of their parents and other family members through daily interactions, observations, and explicit teaching. These may include belief about right and wrong, religious values, work ethics, and attitude toward various social issues. Cultural and social environment. The broader cultural context in which an individual grows up plays a significant role in shaping their values. This includes the norms, tradition, and values of their communities, ethnic groups, or nations. Cultural values are often imparted through stories telling, rituals, and community activities, reinforcing certain ideals and expectations. Education. Formal and informal education significantly influence value formation. Schools not only provide knowledge but also foster the development of social values such as fairness, justice, respect for authority, and teamwork. The curriculum, the ethos of the educational institutions, and interaction with teachers and peers all contribute to this process. Peer influences. As individuals grow, especially during adolescence. Peers become a critical influence on value formations. Peers group can reinforce or challenge family and cultural values, often pursuing individuals towards forming their own set of beliefs and principles. Experiences. Personal experiences, including challenges, successes, and failures, also shape the values. For example, someone who has experienced injustice may place a high value in fairness and equality. Similarly, positive experiences with diversity can foster values of inclusiveness and respect for different cultures. Religious and spiritual belief. Religion and spirituality often provide a comprehensive set of values and ethical guidelines that individuals may adopt. These can be influential in shaping one's views on a wide range of issues, from morality to the meaning of life. Media influences. In the modern world, media is a powerful influencer of values. Television, movies, music, books, and increasingly social media as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram shape perception about what is desirable, normal, or prestigious. Personal reflections and growth. As people mature, they reflect on their experiences and teaching, sometimes adopting new values or re-evaluating old ones. This reflection is often influenced by personal goal, aspiration, and the desire of life that is consistent with one's deepest beliefs. Thank you.